Hello, I'm Catrina M. Craft, and you've just tuned into the Craft More Cash podcast, where finance meets innovation and strategy becomes reality. With over 2 decades navigating the twists and turns of tax strategies and business strategies, I've had the incredible opportunity to work with startups and Fortune 500 companies alike, crafting pathways for businesses to grow and thrive. I've tailored my expertise to serve the unique needs of coaches, creators, marketers, and real estate investors. I'm on a mission to equip business founders with the financial savvy they need to grow real wealth. So buckle up and let's dive into the world of financial success, innovative strategies, and the stories that make us all want to keep pushing forward. Welcome to Craft More Cash. Let's make wealth building simple, fun, and effective. Ready to transform your financial journey? Let's start crafting. Hello, and welcome to another episode of Craft More Cash. As we near the end of the year, it's crucial for every business owner to focus on strategic tax planning. So today we're going to dive deeper into how you can leverage specific tax saving opportunities that could significantly lower your 2024 tax bill. These last-minute deductions are often overlooked, but could save you substantial amounts of money. We only have 2 more months before the end of 2024 to really make those strategic tax decisions and take deductions that you may have missed the rest of the year. I'm Catrina, here to guide you through these strategies and our special year-end tax planning consultations. Let's enhance your financial strategies before the clock strikes midnight on December 31st. As business owners, it's easy to get caught up in the day-to-day operations of your business and really overlook the potential tax savings that can be achieved before year-end. Right now, you have the power to make decisions that not only impact your business operations, but also can significantly reduce your tax liability. Let's ensure you're not paying more in taxes than necessary, okay? By strategically using tax strategies and taking action today. Let's talk about last-minute deductions you really should not miss. Let's focus on some crucial deductions that can make a major difference to your tax bill, particularly those that are often overlooked by coaches, creators, and consultants. The first one is retirement contributions. There are several retirement options for the creator, coach, and consultant. But there are deadlines for each one, so you really need to understand how you can max out your retirement account. This matching allows you, and maxing out really allows you to maximize your tax deduction. So you can contribute more to your SEP, your IRA, or a solo 401k plan. But you need to know there are deadlines for each type of retirement option, and you need to act promptly to talk to your financial advisor to make sure that you still have an opportunity to maximize these deductions. The second deduction is education and training. So from you or to your employee, there are trainings that you may want to maximize and pay this year. Even though you may do the training next year, if you go ahead and you expense it in this year, if you need more deductions, that is a way that you accelerate deductions in the year that you need them. It's always best, if you do not know if you're going to need them, to maximize these deductions now for training and educational purposes for you and your employees. Also, the third one is services. So business development services that could help you grow your business. So that's consulting, that's strategic planning, that's year-end reviews of contracts, that could be a CPA, a tax strategist that's helping you guide and navigate what needs to happen before year end. So remember, these deductions can be taken now, and you can use these expenses to reduce your tax liability. Other types of expenses, number 4, are independent contractors. If you have a job and you need to pay an independent contractor for end of the year job, it's a great time to really consider hiring an independent contractor, or if you're already working with one, continue to use them for this special project before the end of the year so you can deduct the amount that you've paid them. But remember, the IRS and each state have guidelines on if a person should be a contractor or a W-2 wage earner. And this could be huge for you, because if you do not get this right, you could be faced with lots of penalties as well as back taxes because you did not categorize the person properly. The other type of expenses that are often missed, your ad spend for marketing. Of course, as a business owner, you may have year-end goals and you want to maximize and boost your marketing. Those type of expenses are a deduction. Make sure that if you're working with a marketing company, you could go ahead and pay them some of the fees for the marketing if you have the cash and you need the deduction this year. That's a way to front load some of the expenses now, and they can start working on some of your marketing projects. The next type of expense that's missed is hiring your children or family members. If you are already helping support family members, that's a great way to hire them. Give them a job. They have to have a job description, a reasonable wage, and that includes your children. This is a great way to teach children responsibility, budgeting. They get paid. They can use their money for their own joy and expenses and things they want to do instead of asking for an allowance or asking for money. Have them work. And that's a great way to teach them about budgeting, to teach them about checking accounts, and to teach them about earnings. These expenses could be huge, and I have hundreds of other expenses that we need to look at for year-end tax planning. So I'm offering some special year-end tax planning consulting, and I'd love for you to see if you're a good fit. So these are tailored, and they're really designed to maximize each individual's and business owners' customized goals and what's happening in their business. Their financial strategies, we're looking at missed deductions, and we can look at and plan for last-minute actions that you need to take so you can optimize your returns. Remember, we have 2 more months to really make decisions. The tax season starts in the year, not when the tax return is due. So you really need to start looking and planning, and now we have 2 more months to really maximize these plans. So let's look at setting up these goals right now. Like, what can we do in the next 2 months to maximize what you need to do? And then it gives you also an opportunity to plan for what's going to happen in 2025 ahead. So if you're looking to maximize your tax savings and ensure strategic financial planning for the upcoming year, now is really the time. How can you start right now? You can schedule a call to determine if your business and you are a good fit and you're a right fit for our special year-end tax deduction. You can visit our website at CatrinaMCraft, that's CatrinaMCraft.com, and click the link to schedule a sales call. We will ask you a few questions to just make sure that we're on the right page of what we can help with. We want to make sure that we're working with clients. We know that we have seen the huge impact of working with the coaches, creators, and consultants, saving thousands of dollars in tax returns for those who are 6-figure, 7-figure, and 8-figure earners. So thank you for joining me today on the episode of Craft More Cash. Remember, as a coach, creator, or consultant, proactive tax planning is key to reducing your tax liability and enhancing your business growth. Don't miss out on these opportunities, okay? Book your consultation now. We have 2 more months. I have limited number of consultations of people that I would be able to work with, because we do customize the strategies, and we want to make sure that we are meeting your goals and we're maximizing based on your financials and your business. So until next time, keep planning, keep saving, and keep crafting more cash. Make sure to subscribe to our podcast below and stay tuned on all of our socials for updates. I can be found on Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn under Catrina M. Craft. Thanks again.